Mga men, kaya wa man tay gana man hapon. So mag-vlog na lang ta sa mga pagkaon diri. Veg manchow soup. No, this one. Veg manchow soup. So na yung mga ibutang na sa soup. Then, kami siya ang papad. Then, mixed pickle. Mixed pickle. Wow, Russian salad. I like this. Mukhaon ko ani. Then, butter naan. Of course, ang steam rice. Buwagag ilang rice. Nice burger. Then, veg biryani. Ang butong sani? What's this?
This is a raita.
Raita?
Yeah, raita. Made of curd.
Curd? Raita.
Raita.
Not a singer, but a writer.
Raita.
Raita. I don't know what it is. Okay. Dal makhani. It's dal. Okay. Dal. So that's the spelling of dal. It's like a soup with vegetables, spices. Kaday paneer. So kaday paneer. And this is veg jalfrezi. Okay. Fish fry. Just a fried fish. And chicken kali merch. Actually, gwapo ang nag-serve. And mong del halwa. Okay. So, ilang mga cup siya lang. Another more. Vlogging for more. Bye-bye. Sige, ma'am. Mas maura to. Bye-bye.